TedHair.
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 TedHair. TedHair.
TedHair. TedHair. TedHair.
And I love TedHair. I heard about this place from my friend. She's bought a lot of hair here before. Great. They respond very fast. They're very nice. The hair is so soft. I'm telling y'all, like, y'all gotta come. I found out about it from my friend, so come shop. I heard from a friend that they're very good quality, and I did try it out myself, and I do love it, and I do recommend it to you and anybody else.
I also get all of my lashes from me and my clients here. They love them. They're great quality. You can wear the lashes.
If y'all want some good quality hair, it's nice and clean. It got no bounce in it. Ain't no stiffness in here. You go to TedHair in Doral, Florida to get all your hair. They have great 10-day great quality hair in Doral, Florida. Shop for all your hair needs. They have wigs, closures, any lengths, any colors, any styles. And the hair is super soft. The hair lasts 3 years or more. Shop at TedHair.
Coming to TedHair, it's clean, organized. The quality of the hair is amazing.
The hair is beautiful, soft, luxurious. You'll love it. You have to come. I'm so excited. We're gonna do some big things here with TedHair, and I'm happy.